Cocots. Entering in all. Miller for 2. Labaw. Labaw ang Indiana. Labaw ang Indiana og 2 points. 8.8 seconds to play. Okay, bola sa Bulls. Balik. Maybe to Cocots for 3. Oh, what a win. What a win by Tony Cocots.